Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to master Google AI tool called NotebookLM. So basically NotebookLM is used to create a podcast, your PDF file, or you have data into you convert into a audio and graphics. So like if you are a student or a job worker, so you don't have time to read it. So basically you convert into a audio and record when you free, or when you work at office, or when you write your homework, etc. So let's start without wasting your time. First of all, open your Chrome and type notebook lm. Click first link. So here's the Google AI tool. So here you can see amazing dashboard. So click try notebook lm. Click OK and create new. So here upload your source file like PDF, and if you have any data, so upload here, or Google Drive file, any paste link, a YouTube video, and you can paste text. So I will drop a file. I have created a YouTube channel about my YouTube channel related. So here is the loading, and if you want to generate a audio and mind map, so which would you like? So I will like audio overview. So it will take a few minutes. Here I have uploaded my YouTube channel roadmap. So you will see this AI tool converts this PDF into a audio file. Okay, you can see my PDF file is converted into a audio file. Wow, that's amazing. So you can try, it's totally free. So I will hear you. Listen.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really getting into the weeds on creating and, crucially, growing a successful niche YouTube channel.
That's right.
We're using a specific case study, a web development channel.
So you can see my PDF file is converted into audio file. So here you can convert this PDF file into a mind map. I'm gonna show you how it is possible. Click mind map and it will generate for you a mind map, so you can easily understand without read it. So simply click here and you can see our mind map. First, here is my title and phase 1 channel setup and branding. It is very cool. So simply go back and I'm gonna show you another feature. If you want to download, so you can download. So now, and you can ask question if you like recommended question like what is the overall acting strategy for building and growing this YouTube channel. So it will answer you very deeply. Here you can see a very deep answer, and I will show you another feature of this AI tool. So simply go back and here you can see, here you are upload your source file and it will create for your audio file. So here you can see 5 super fact about your health span.
Hey everyone, we talk a lot about lifespan, right? How long we get to live. But what about
The main point of saying this, it is very cool, it's free totally, and you can use. So subscribe the web guy for more videos. See you soon next video.